Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make Haw Haw filled chocolate chip cookies. And I just want to say thanks to my Tito Ken for giving me this Haw Haw spread. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. And before I show you guys how to make these cookies, I just want to say, if there are kids watching, please ask an adult to help you with this. To start this baking, take your Haw Haw spread, open it up, take your 1 tablespoon and scoop it up. Get your parchment paper, scrub it with some butter, place your Haw Haw spread, and then put your parchment paper in a pan. What kind of pan that fits on your freezer? Any kind. And then put it on your freezer, like I said, for 1 hour. And once it's done with 1 hour, you start to bake it. But I'm going to tell you the ingredients so you know. And the ingredients will also be in the description below. So the first ingredient is your unsalted butter. Next is your brown sugar. I prefer cocoa sugar. And then your sugar, granulated sugar. Yes. And then one large egg. 1 large egg at room temperature. Okay. Then the vanilla extract. This one. And then next is the all-purpose flour. And then the next ingredient is the cornstarch. And then the baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. Just wanted you to know, just in case. And then some salt. I prefer this salt right here. And then the last ingredient is my favorite ingredient, the chocolate chip cookies. This ingredient comes in the last. Let's get to the baking. guys, and I came back from yesterday because I had to freeze the cookies. And I'm sorry if I did that. It was a little bit too late and I had to freeze it really fast. So now I'm making it flat so I can place in these. So I can put it in and then put it on the oven and then bake it. So I'm just gonna put one like this, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is roll them into this little ball. You can see, put it in. This one has already one inside. So these four are not yet done. So I wanted to start first before I started recording. I'm gonna put this down here, and then next I'm gonna make this flat. Flat dough, just like a fatty pie. Don't worry, guys. I cleaned my hair before I do this. I never tried this before. I only experienced rolling the cookie dough. So this is my first time ever doing this, putting hawhaw mix inside cookie dough, then baking it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully good. Going to put the hawhaw filled chocolate chip cookies in the oven, preheated in at least 10 minutes and in 162 degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to put it in landscape. I've never seen anybody do it like that. So now we are putting in the cookies. Now we wait for the timer to ding, and it has to be at least crunchy and soft, not hard, because now that's going to be good. So I'm going to pause it again and come back when the cookies are done. Okay, we're back from baking. Now we have our secret ingredient, the hawhaw mix, and we have here one fine cookie that I picked out. So this is the texture in the front, and this is the texture in the back, sides, up, down. Okay, enough textures. So now we're gonna crack it and see of the hawhaw mix. Oh, there it is, everybody. The hawhaw mix, not burned. Some of them are, but it turned out really nice. Let's try it. Please stay tuned for more, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Check out some other videos. And before I end off the video, I'm gonna taste it with some milk. Have some prepared right here. So I'm gonna dip it in. It's really nice. Tastes good. So bye guys. See you next time in my next video. Peace.